So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy crypto with a debit card here on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, a couple different options for you guys. The simplest way is to go to the bottom left and press on home, and then go to where it says add funds, and right below that it says buy. Go ahead and select buy. Then at the bottom where it says buy crypto with cash, go ahead and select that. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and select a token. So for example, if you wanted to buy, let's just say Solana, I'll just scroll down to Solana and press on that. You're now going to be brought to this page. Now, you can type in first and foremost how much you want to buy. So if you wanted to do, I don't know, $30, you type in 30. And right below that for me, it says Apple Pay. If you want to do this with a debit card specifically, go ahead and select this option right here, and then select a debit or credit. Once that is done, it'll say debit or credits. Go to the bottom, press continue. So once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and verify your identity. Once that is done, press continue. It'll then bring you to the next page where you can actually type in your debit card information and proceed with the purchase of the cryptocurrency. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to buy cryptocurrency with a debit card here on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.